Hello everyone, today I will talk about use Stable Diffusion to generate images and modify images, a tutorial. Mainly let me introduce today. How did he install it? This is what I use to generate 2 pictures. The one in the middle is what I got from a model downloaded from can be seen. I use these 2 cats formed by 3 keywords. Next is to introduce his installation. First we need first install the environment he supports. The first is to install Python. Python needs to install version 3.10.6. Then we choose to customize. Custom installation address. I chose the G drive. Note that there should be no Chinese characters in the installation directory. Click OK. Point upgrade installation. OK, I will close after installation. Then we install Visual Studio. Click Next. Similarly, we need to install the directory, also set in a drive other than the C drive. Then we install Git. This file. Point Next. We choose to edit this by default. Do not open after installation. Click Finish. We need to install net dependencies. Version 6.0.1. Next we need to unzip the file. I created a new file. Must not directly. In a file directory. After decompression, copy to another file directory, otherwise an error will be reported. Look, it's unpacked here. The launcher needs to be decompressed in the same way to the directory we just unzipped. It will show if duplicate files are replaced. Then we choose a launcher. Wait for it to load. Let's click Advanced Options. It's showing how much memory you are optimizing for. You just choose how much memory you have. Your graphics card. Click to start. Then click Save to close. We need to shut this place down. Then click one key to start. This is after installation. We open this URL. At this time we have no more training models. You can see what's wrong. If not, can go to the model to put it in the root directory. We found the model. Then Stable Diffusion. In. I have copied this before. We need to open this page when click Settings, click to restart the UI, so that it can be loaded. Select it. His prompt word can only be in English. So you have to use English. Long hair, long hair. Click Generate. It will be in this one. Blank space to show how fast it loads. If you have many keywords. If you have many keywords, the more accurate it will be generated. Relatively speaking, it will load a little slower. We just had a short time. It's loaded.